Hey y'all, so today is Wednesday and I'm still moving in, so we just gonna, you know what I'm saying, get that on situated right now. I am not done, but it does look a little bit better, and I did officially like unpack the whole kitchen. I did do some grocery shopping, so like y'all look, your girl finally got some groceries in her fridge. It's not a lot, but you know, we got something. And then I did just get some more groceries. I got some aluminum foil because y'all know I love to cook with my air fryer. I love me some cheese fries. I typically just use the spray olive oil because it's 0 calories. I did get this cute little green polo, but this is more so for me to wear to work, so I just thought I would show y'all. Okay, so I got me another kombucha. I did go ahead and buy some more of these Koya smoothies. So I got the green one, and then I did get the magic mango. It's probably not focusing, and I'm sorry about that. I did get some bagels. I got some everything bagels specifically because you guys, guess what I picked up the other day? I got some smoked salmon. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a bagel with the cream cheese and put some smoked salmon on it. And I do think that's gonna be really good. I'm excited because I've actually had that at a restaurant before and I loved it. And then I got the Straw Nano Dream. And I'm really excited to try this. Wow, did it actually focus this time? I can't even fucking believe it. So I just put that food away for the most part. I just gotta put my oils up, and my camera is actually dying, so I'm gonna go ahead and just charge it for a little bit and unpack some stuff in the meantime, and then I will come back and I guess show you guys what I've done. Hopefully by the time my camera is all charged, I will have got like a significant amount done because I'm tired.
Got you dotting your eyes and crossing your T's. Got you cleaning your dirt before it gets back to me. It's got you dotting your eyes and crossing your T's.
Good morning, y'all. It's like 8 something in the morning. I am so fucking exhausted, but today is the day I'm supposed to get my Wi-Fi set up, so I'm super fucking excited about that. Y'all, we finally got Wi-Fi. I'm about to set everything up now. Y'all, the Netflix finally works. I'm so happy. I got my Wi-Fi up on my computer. Hey, we got the YouTube up.
Stay freshman. Hold on, I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now. I don't take rest in. I recommend you don't listen to your friends. Shit ain't been the same since days.
Hey y'all, so this is still like me moving and everything, but I do need to just take a minute to get my life together. I had to pay my rent. I have to edit today because I do have videos I need to put out and I need to fix some stuff, but I really just want my life to be more organized this time around. I mean, of course, when I was in Chicago, I paid all my bills on time and stuff, but I felt like I had less bills in Chicago because more stuff was covered with my rent. So now that I have to pay more things on my own, it's just a matter of keeping track of everything and making sure everything gets paid on time. Going through my Gmail and actually creating folders for everything and then deleting everything out of my actual inbox so I can start with a fresh inbox. I should have done this a long time ago, y'all. Like, I have stuff in here from probably like 2017 and 2018, maybe even 2016. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this for a little bit. Hey y'all, so it's like 6 o'clock and I swear I wanted to be done by 5, but I literally went to the balcony and I laid down and I ended up falling asleep, and I literally took a nap outside because I just didn't really feel that good. So I'm about to prop y'all up and I'm about to get back to putting stuff away, because I really do want this to be the end of me, like pretty much getting my life together here. I really want to be done today, and then like there's a few things that'll get done, but like that doesn't mean that they're gonna like warrant a whole video, I guess. So wish me luck, y'all. I'm about to try to hurry up and just like finish everything. I'm actually watching some YouTube and I'm gonna go ahead and finish folding my clothes, because I literally only have a box and everything in the box is already folded, and then I have one more bag of clothes. So there's no excuse for me to not be finished today. So let's go ahead and just get into it. It's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. It's like 1:50, and I have been putting away clothes all day, and I accomplished a lot, but I'm not done. So it feels like I didn't really accomplish anything, and it's kind of frustrating me because I'm just kind of like, I don't know what else to do now. Like, I'm just getting really tired of putting stuff away. I don't have anybody to talk to. I'm just bored, and I hate unpacking. Like, I just want my apartment to be done, and it just feels like I'm never gonna be finished. And I really want all my clothes to be put away before my dogs get here, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm trying not to stay up too late because I still have to drive home tomorrow, and I still have to edit this what I eat in a week, because a brand did send me something, you guys. Like, cannot believe that that happened. I've been watching Kayla Cake, y'all. I'm really fucking with her channel. Like, it's just been entertaining me. I got some of my jeans in here, and then in this drawer all of my tight black jeans. This is the last little bit of stuff on my couch that I have to put away, and all of these things are gonna go in the same drawer. I'm taking that stuff home. I'm gonna actually be getting rid of some stuff. I'm trying to sell it on Poshmark, but if it doesn't sell in like a day or two, then I'm just gonna take it to Plato's Closet or donate it to Goodwill, because not Goodwill, but like Vietnam Vets, so that it actually goes to families. And then this is the bedroom situation. These are the last little bit of clothes that I have to put away that are on my bed. I'm saying this is a little bit of clothes, and in reality I feel like it's a lot. I don't know, maybe it's not a lot and I'm just like tweaking, but it feels like a lot. And then I got my boyfriend jeans slash mom jeans in here, and then these pants for work. These are trousers, and then some other jeans that I really like, and then just a little bit more stuff in here that I got to take out. And then this is the closet situation right now. So I got most of my clothes put away. This is not aesthetically pleasing at all in the slightest, and I don't think I'm ever going to be able to get it to look that way, because I just don't know of a cute way to put my clothes away. I am going to be putting a clothing rack here, which I've said before, so a lot of this stuff is going to get moved off. And then while I was putting stuff away, I actually realized that a lot of these hoodies are literal trash. So this is my little like sneaker area. I want to leave that open for sneaker boxes, because y'all know I love shoes, and I'm going to end up getting more sneakers, so it just makes sense to keep that open for more sneaker boxes. I'm going to organize this, and I'm getting so tired. It's hard to, I feel like, think properly. Like, okay, how do I want to do this? And then I'm just looking at my stuff, and it's so dingy. Like, there's so much stuff. I just kind of feel like just give it away, like donate it, or like throw it out. Like, because I was telling my mom, it's kind of like, at what point do you realize, like, hey, I don't need this no more. Like, this looks kind of bad. So y'all, this is what we're working with. I am so tired, and I'm pretty sure it's like damn near 4 in the morning. My phone is so far away. Okay, so I'm taking all of this stuff home, and some of it's gonna just stay at home, some of it I'm trying to sell, and some of it I'm gonna try to donate. And then I cleared off the couch finally, and then this is trash. This is a dingy ass white shirt, but I might keep it as pajamas. That's a pajama top. This has bathroom stuff in it. I have to wait for my bathroom shelf to come. And then it looks clear here now, which makes me feel so much better. This is what the counter is looking like. I did clear off a lot of stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this though, because I am so freaking tired. This is literally trash. I need to throw away tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I'm back with the new hairstyle and we've gotten a lot done. I've gotten a lot accomplished since the last time that we spoke, and I just wanted to put a couple more things away. I just feel like it looks like so much better now because I got so much extra stuff done. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the kitchen situation at the moment, but that's all about to get moved. That's gonna go in the closet. I have my basket full of shoes, and put these in my bedroom because these are shoes that I tend to gravitate towards a lot. And then on my slides, and then this is the living room situation. I did get a rug. This is the rug that was in my dining room, if y'all remember. Almost all the drawers are done. And then look, y'all, finally hung this up. My dad did this today and it's so freaking pretty. So I got those from Target to hold my dog's dental treats, and then I'm gonna get some more doggy biscuits. And then the bedroom, I finally have this hung. And if y'all remember my bedroom in the house, this was never hung up before. It was always sitting on top of the bed. So I'm so happy that it's finally hanging up. And then I'm gonna put those shoes down there. And then this is the closet situation. It's still kind of messy, but we got all this hung up. I have this shelf in here now, and then I do have both my dog's cages in the closet. So this isn't gonna be like a place I take pictures, but just kind of like to look at myself to see how I feel about my outfit of the day. I wanted this to be kind of like my little mini like dressing room, if you will. So I just have to pick up the last little bit of these clothes and we're done, and I can move the laundry basket in here. And then I'm getting a shelf for the bathroom, so that's coming from Amazon. It's gonna go right there. And then the bathroom situation, of course, is still a mess. And then I just need to move these things, and then we're done. I'm about to put the shoes away and then put those workout clothes away, but I might actually be sending those home, so we'll see. Alright, so I think that actually looks really good. And now I feel like it makes more sense because now my shelf is full of stuff that I'm actually gonna like gravitate towards, like this bottom row, this row right here. I love the freak out of this row. I like that row too. Love that. And then this is where I put my Converse, and I love that. Look at them. They look so good now that the paper is off. Yes. This is so nice. Now we just gotta clear off the counter, and then I can sit down and edit this video finally. Let's keep it going.
Got you down in your eyes and crossing your T's. Are you cleaning your dirt before it gets back to me? Got you down in your eyes.
This looks so much better. This is the only stuff I need to put away now. I need to move that off the floor. My Balenciaga box. The closet looks so much better. I mean, I still hate the way all of this shit is stacked. Bathroom is a mess, so we ain't even finna go through none of that. And then I just need to move this stuff real quick, and then I can sit down. I'm so tired. We gonna stay up till this is done. When I say we, I mean me, myself, and I. So
hold up, bitches on me immigration. Hold up, going through the translations.
I'm just stunting on my XP. I was just flexing on my XP. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my XP. I was just flexing on my XP. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the food, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they got shit. Hold up.
Corny niggas don't impress me. Hold up. Never let a bitch stress me. Hold up. Ain't no motherfucking judge check me. Hold up. I don't give a fuck about no ring.
Hold up. Money make my old bitches hate. Hold up. Bitch, you still stay on Section 8. her, let me paint her face.
Hold up, fell in love, what's the split? Hold up, fell in love, what's the split? Hold up, real no confidential papers up. Hold up, you done made me wake my savage up. Hold up.
Hey y'all, so it's like 2:45 going on 3 in the morning now, and I just finished doing some stuff and putting stuff away. Like, as y'all can see, the counter is more cleared off now, and there's not stuff like all over the couch anymore. Well, I think you're gonna only see the back of it, but either way it goes, I was really trying to make sure that I put up a lot of stuff before I went to bed, and I pretty much finished the closet. I have one box of like clothes, and it's not even a box, it's really like a little like bin, and it's just like business clothes in it. So I'm thinking of maybe just leaving all those in there. I hope that you guys have been enjoying these moving vlogs. If you guys are enjoying the content, please give the video some thumbs up, and also please comment down below any other video that you would like to see, and then also, if you have not already, please become a part of the family. I would totally appreciate it. I think that we're a pretty cool bunch over here, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and do that. And then if you have not already, please follow me on Instagram. It is dim_SallyMay, and again, I will have it right here, and it will be linked below. If you want to catch me outside of YouTube, I'm 100% most definitely on Instagram. And if you guys have any questions that you want to ask me personally, feel free to send me a DM. I feel like I'm pretty good about responding to my DMs. And subscribe. Make sure that you guys subscribe. I know a lot of y'all be watching me and ain't subscribed, so make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make go room room. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.